Because it's been super wet this year too, so it's been hard to get in the fields and plant stuff because it's been so wet. We've had constant rain, so.
Alan, your buddy. Probably my most famous of my craft pieces, my little tabletop fireplace. You use a real candle, but if I have them some places you can't light candles inside, so it kind of lights up like little pine cones. I fooled so many people with these. When I do fireplaces, I do this many at a time. This is our logo, so.
How do you get the design?
So we can. I think everybody knows how to trace, right? Then
we made something.
But usually they're good for.
We had some we took out of the school here.
Weaving's really an interesting process because it requires two completely separate things that have to come together. So you have lengthwise threads, and then you have things that go back and forth. So let's just watch for a minute.
2,600 ends on this piece. So that's a lot of knots. Every single step of the way, from the creel to the warp to the threading to the reed to the weaving, we all are double checking and checking again to make sure that our finished product is perfect. You know, I mean, that's
The first time that I ran one of these looms, the power, I went from being a hand weaver to running one of those, and I pulled the handle on it, and I was able to make, 20 yards of cloth come out, sort of magically. It's very empowering to be able to produce something that is tangible and usable.
Balance now. Walk by their neighbor. New neighbors, right